Hi girls! Welcome to Gadget Babe channel, where you will discover in each video the most amazing Amazon products that will make women's life happier. Have you ever found that you don't have enough space on your vanity, or that your brushes and jewelries are a total mess? This video is here to help you out, so that your makeup and vanity space can be better organized than ever with our selection of Best Makeup Organizers 2021 available on Amazon. Keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Amazon finds videos. Number 15. Plastic Drawer Dividers. Those are a must-have for every woman who needs some organization in her life. These great plastic drawers are made from high-quality durable plastic that is strong and flexible, and will stay this way for a long time. It is incredibly easy to put together with assembly only taking seconds. If you're someone who loves organization in your beauty room, these dividers are perfect for you. Number 14. A travel makeup case. This Amazon product is absolutely perfect for all of our traveling girls. With the world finally reopening again, it is time to consider our next travel plans, and with this beautiful Jewellery travel makeup case from Amazon, the world is your oyster. This bag is designed incredibly well so that you have enough storage space for all of your makeup, brushes, and toiletries. The smart design also makes it very easy to carry and is made of Oxford cloth fabric, which is durable, waterproof, and very easy to clean. You need this amazing makeup case for your next trip. Number 13. A display tray is absolutely everything that you've been searching for, and it is guaranteed to make your makeup area look very fancy. Our first Amazon find is this gorgeous piece featuring a mirror bottom and gold finish design that makes displaying your makeup or perfumes look expensive. This one is a must-have for your beauty room setup. Our second Amazon find is this elegant marble vanity tray for your jewelry, cosmetics, and more. It can also be a decorative tray for your bedside or coffee tables, and even a serving tray. Elegant and so useful at the same time. Number 12. Blush and Eyeshadow Organizers. At number 12 we have those blush and eyeshadow organizers that are the perfect makeup storage idea. These acrylic makeup organizers make powders, blushes, and bronzers look so nice and easy to find. The organizer is composed of a very strong acrylic material and is much stronger than glass, which ensures its durability and security from any damage. Acrylic makeup storage pieces are also perfect gift ideas for your mom, sister, or girlfriend. Number 11. A mirror with integrated LED lights. Number 11 is truly one of a kind. This vanity organizer and mirror with integrated LED lights provides an incredible view of every angle of your beautiful face to ensure that your makeup is absolutely perfect every single time. You can apply your makeup in a clean, clear, and organized environment, which will not only save you time, but make your makeup session so much fun. Your makeup desk need one of those. Get it now. Number 10. A plastic drawer organizer. Are you tired of digging around in your drawers to find what you need? Say goodbye to that, because these plastic drawers and cabinet organizers can help you get all of your items in order. These drawers are made of strong and durable material and come in 5 different sizes. These clear organizer trays are amazing organizers for your makeup collection, either for your bedroom or bathroom drawers, and they also quite affordable. Number 9. A 360 rotating makeup organizer. A rotating makeup organizer is the perfect addition to your makeup and vanity area. It can easily hold makeup, brushes, cosmetics products, perfumes, as well as more items on the top compartment. This organizer's steady base plate ensures your cosmetics stay in place when the organizer is rotated. It rotates silently and smoothly, and would look amazing on your vanity holding all your Amazon beauty products. This one is a must-have. Number 8. A lipstick organizer. This lipstick organizer is an excellent display with a great stand, and it is also dust-proof and waterproof. It has a beautiful fish-shaped design that fits all of your lipstick perfectly in an organized fashion. It is a perfect gift idea for anyone looking to tidy up their makeup space and add more makeup storage. You definitely need to add this lipstick organizer in your next Amazon haul. Number 7. Brush holders. Coming in at number 7, we have our selection of Vanity Beauty brush holders. It is the perfect way to organize your makeup brush sets, stationery, pens, and even decoration plants. It has plenty of uses and will make itself nice and comfortable on your makeup vanity. Head to the description section to find the link of all the cute brush holders we have selected for you. Number 6. Hair products holders. Do you love to take care of your hair? Do you also have a whole lot of products to store? Well, you'll love these hair products holders. They contain 4 to 6 different compartments to organize your favorite hair tools, hair dryer, curling iron, brushes, and more instantly. You will get to enjoy complete organization and cleanliness with these amazing holders for your hair accessories. Number 5. Cotton swabs and pads dispensers. These clear plastic jars are perfect for your cotton balls, pads, swabs, and floss picks. These 10-ounce canisters are so useful for other small items too, like tampons, bath salts, hair tie band, clips, brushes, and more. They will make such a great addition to your vanity space. For a very fair price, you will be able to enjoy a clean and organized space. Number 4. Jewellery trays. If you're looking for a simple yet beautiful jewellery box to store your gorgeous jewels, look no further than this gorgeous blush pink or grave Lando jewellery box. It features one of the best systems around for organizing your jewelry, and it also has stackable trays so that you can custom design the setup to suit you. It's time to sort your jewelry out, and you can do it today with the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Small jewellery box. Number 3 is truly deserving of its spot because it is the perfect item for everyday use that will look absolutely gorgeous on your vanity, bedside table, or even on your dresser. This jewellery box is perfect for all your small pieces of jewelry like rings and bracelets, and looks so lovely. It doesn't take up a lot of space as it has 4 layers rotatable compartments, so that you have more room available in your vanity area. Number 2. Hanging jewellery organizer. If necklaces are your thing, you need this tall tabletop necklace holder and jewellery display tree so that you can organize all of your cute jewellery. Say goodbye to tangled necklaces and unmatched earrings, because now you can store and organize them on this incredibly sleek and beautifully designed holder. Put this item on your Amazon wish list now. Number 1. Selection of best makeup and jewellery organizers. Coming in at number 1 is our absolutely spectacular selection of clear cosmetic storage organizer from various brands like Swabs and more. They are incredibly practical and will keep all of your makeup, cosmetics, jewelries, hair accessories, and other items organized and neat. They are stylish, fun, and spacious enough to hold a lot of beauty products, all while being incredibly easy to use. All the Amazon links of these best makeup organizers are in the description below to ensure you bring your vanity area to the next level. Please let us know in the comment section which one of these Amazon vanity favorites you are going to get for yourself. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to press the like and bell buttons. As always, thanks for watching.